Thank you for purchasing the TP-Link HS200 Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch. Installation is a breeze. First, download the TP-Link Kasa app on your Android or iOS device. The app will help guide you along. Open Kasa and choose Add Device from the top right corner. You'll see a setup page similar to the one on the right. Choose Smart Switch to add the TP-Link HS200 Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch. Choose Not Yet to set up the HS200 for the first time. Detach the HS200 faceplate. You'll reattach it in the final step. If familiar with basic electrical wiring, installation will only take a few minutes. If you're not familiar with electrical wiring, do not attempt installation yourself. Contact a licensed electrician for assistance. When ready, click Start. Hold your smartphone up to the HS200 and check the status bar. It should have a Wi-Fi signal of at least 2 bars. Take care not to use any metal, such as metallic faceplates, around the HS200 as it can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. The HS200 works with all standard light switches that control one light or a bank of lights. If you have more than one switch controlling the same light or bank of lights, the HS200 will not be able to control those lights. Gather the tools needed to install the HS200. A screwdriver, wire stripper, and voltmeter are recommended. Turn off the power to the light switch with your circuit breaker. Make sure the power is off by flipping the switch to make sure the lights don't turn on. Remove the faceplate by unscrewing the 2 screws holding it in place. Unscrew the 2 screws pictured at right to detach the switch from the wall. Make sure no power is going to the switch. You can use a non-contact voltage detector available at any hardware store to check, as shown at right. If no neutral wire is present, the HS200 cannot be installed. The neutral wire is typically found within the wall box with the wired nut on top of it. The neutral wire is normally white, but could be another color. If no neutral wire is present, it's still possible that a neutral wire may be available in other light switches in your home. Look for the ground wire. If present, it should be plugged into the top of the light switch, as shown at right. It is typically green or copper in color. The HS200 can still be installed even if no ground wire is present. Feed both wires into the wire nut. Twist the wire nut until tight. While holding the wire nut, pull each wire to make sure that they're securely in place. Before beginning, you'll need to remove the neutral wire nut that holds the existing wires together. Take the white wire from the HS200 and group it together with the wires you've just exposed. Screw them all together using a wire nut. Because there are sometimes 3 or more wires, you'll need to gently pull on each wire to make sure they're all securely inside of the wire nut. Now we'll deal with the live load wires. Disconnect the live wires from the old switch by unscrewing them. In this demo, the HS200 wires are the black wires connected to the switch as shown in the image. They can either be red or black. Connect the wires to the HS200 using the wire nut to secure each one. The black wires can be connected to any of the HS200's black wires. Wind electrical tape around the wire nut to make sure the copper conductor is fully concealed. Give the wires a light tug while holding the wire nut to make sure they are secure. Push all the wires back into the wall box and try to push them to the side to make room for the HS200. Set the HS200 in place, line up the screws with the wall box, and screw it in. Attach the face of the plate by pressing it onto the front of the HS200. Turn the power back on using your circuit breaker. Now you can use Kasa to configure the HS200 on your Android or iOS device. To work with Amazon Alexa, make sure you have enabled Remote Control. Most TP-Link smart home devices work with Amazon Alexa for voice control. Enter the Amazon Alexa app, choose Smart Home, scroll down to Your Smart Home Skills, select Get More Smart Home Skills, and find TP-Link Kasa. Log in using your TP-Link Kasa account to sync your device with Amazon Alexa. Now you can use your voice to control your device. Here are some live demos. Alexa, turn on the bedroom light. Alexa, turn on the living room light. You can also control the smart plug and smart switch by placing them in a group. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new HS200.